medial moraines, and other longitudinal septa. The dark streaks of rocky debris that we see on the surfaces of many valley glaciers, such as the Barnard and the Kaskawulsh, show that these glaciers are made up of a number of ice streams. These streams represent individual glaciers from tributary valleys that have flowed together and are now separated only by thin partitions, septa, of dirty ice containing rock material picked up from the walls of the tributary valleys. Melting of this dirty ice produces a superficial accumulation of dendritis, which constitutes the feature known as a medial moraine. It is well to remember that this accumulation is simply the surface expression of a structure that extends deeply into the glacier, usually to its floor, except in the instance of inset ice streams. A less apparent but structurally more significant type of longitudinal septum has recently been recognized on the Blue Glacier, and a somewhat similar feature has been earlier described from the Pestürze Glacier in Austria. The longitudinal septum on the Blue is a zone of highly foliated, structurally complex material containing an exceptionally large amount of fine ice. It is about 250 feet wide at the firn edge and narrows to 10 to 20 feet near the terminus. In the field, we refer to the Blue Glacier septum as the Gesundheitstrasse, and that designation will be used here from force of habit. This is an important feature as it divides the ice tongue into two structurally distinct units. It appears to be formed near the base of the icefall by the reunion of two ice currents split apart by a large rock bastion. One current flows into a depression below the rock bastion, almost at right angles to the other. The ice of the first current undergoes severe compression and is also sheared out by the difference in velocity of the two currents. These actions produce an exceptionally strong foliation. A large amount of snow is also incorporated into the Gesundheitstrasse by the filling of abnormally abundant crevasses and by infolding in the depression below the rock bastion. The fact that the width and strength of the Gesundheitstrasse decrease down glacier from the firn edge suggests that it is strongest near the surface and becomes weaker with depth. Have a great day.